What's up mga katambay? For today's video, samahan nyo akong i-unbox itong nabili ko na Edifier R1080BT Bluetooth bookshelf speaker classic white. So let's talk about first the specs. Amazing sound quality. So this speaker delivers exceptional sound thanks to its built-in digital signal processing or DSP. So this is a kind of chip. It has a two-way active crossover control. Two 4-inch mid-range bass drivers produce deep, rich lows, while two 0.75-inch silk diagram treble drivers deliver crisp, clear highs. Stylish wooden design. So the classic wooden enclosure minimizes sound distortion and looks great in any room. You can connect it to everything, like plug in your phone, laptop, iPad, PC, or other devices using the line-in or 3.5mm aux sockets. It has also wireless streaming capability, meaning you can connect it through Bluetooth version 5.01, which provides a stable, strong connection for high-quality audio streaming with low power consumption. Simple controls. 3 buttons lang on top. It's a top-mounted buttons, make it easy to control the speaker and enjoy all its features. So how's the quality sounds like? Here you go. If you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment below, and please do not forget to follow me on TikTok.